Hello viewers, it's 17th February and guys today if I talk about weather, so weather is so favorable for me and for everyone, but still I came here 5 o'clock, but you can't find just person except me, but as I'm concerned there are two. They came right now. So guys, today and yesterday I was so upset, so I didn't record video, and today I'm not feeling to record video, but still I want to give you a message to you all, just my YouTube family. First message, guys. Message, either I know just you are informed that news like at in New Delhi railway station stampede happened, and more than 20 people just got die. But guys, who is responsible for it? Do you know when I was going to Prayagraj? I mean, when I was going to Prayagraj on first Kumbh occasion day, 12 January, I went at New Delhi railway station for boarding. But guys, even I didn't see even single RPF constable, even single, guys, CRPF, any security guard I didn't see. But on 12 January there was also horde of people, huge rush, but there was no even single security guard. Why? I don't know. Do you know? Railway knows everything. And then guys, I started recording video. When I was in the train, I started recording train. I started recording video to figure out, to make it outside, and to just aware the government from what things are going, and how passenger they are just going to Prayagraj by train. But guys, no one, even inside the train there were even more than 50%. They started excoriating me, even they started hectoring me, but I didn't turn my, I didn't just go with their words, and I did my own work. But guys, I didn't want my video, my words should uh, turn into reality. But guys, I'm just so upset. Yesterday, on Sunday, it took on Sunday, no guys, on Saturday night it took place, and more than 20 got die and more than 20 are injured. But guys, do you know, railway minister just give this all accident to one committee, and just started investigation. But guys, have you ever have you ever just heard about it, that accident took place, and having investigated that person got punishment? Never, not at all, guys. Whenever they just make committee, whenever they make any committee and just give investigation for that accident, guys, they want to hide their weakness. They don't let it out from that situation to just among of common people. But guys, as I am concerned, it's failure of Indian Railway, and we want only resign of Indian Railway. Indian rail minister. He should resign from his post, guys. It's actually Indian Rail. Our rail minister is responsible, and as well as we are also responsible for it, guys. Everyone, just everyone cast his or her vote based on religion, based on only one prominent figure, Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Okay, yeah. Uh, Even I ask in my booth, just to whom you are gonna just cast your vote. Yeah, Narendra Modi. Even Narendra Modi will not become CM. Chief Minister in Delhi, but still they casted their vote. That's why, guys. Now in Delhi also, chief minister, even all ministers, even chairman of BJP is in an adult who will be chief minister of Delhi. But people, common people, they want only their religion first and facility second. Facility is second priority. That's why, and 18 people got die. It's a guarantee of BJP. It's a guarantee of Narendra Modi. So if you want to if you want to raise your voice, just come and tweet everywhere to just share this video, and then guys, really, we can compel our real minister to resign from his post. And as I am concerned, so he will definitely resign, and he doesn't deserve, and rail department doesn't resonate with himself. There are many ministers. If you concerned with education minister, so even he doesn't deserve, and education department doesn't resonate with himself. And guys, but I actually, as I'm not against totally any government, i just count I just count the merit and demerit of the department. As I'm concerned, so finance minister, yeah, she deserves, and that finance department resonates with our finance minister. But all departments, do you know just how do they give a department to just any person to run based on caste, based on vote bank? It's all about vote game. If you are SC or BC, if you don't know how to just run the any department, you don't have any skill, you don't have education regarding this, but still you all get opportunity to run. Why? Actually, if you get, I mean, if someone get opportunity from your caste, then you will feel proud. Oh yeah, just now he's Brahman and he's SC OBC tribe, and he's SC OBC tribe, and he's railway minister and he's education minister. Really, it's proud for our caste. Not at all. It's not proud for our caste, guys. Can you imagine, like, can you feel pain of this? Those person, they lost their family members. Guys, I was in a panic. Even I was in a panic. They are not my relative, they are not even my neighbors. I haven't seen them, I haven't seen yet. But still, guys, I was crying on Sunday when it came to me. I That's why I recorded video on 12th January, to just figure out real and ground situation of Indian Railway. Guys, our government always toss around, always boost. Oh yeah, now India is gonna be fifth developed economy, fifth largest economy. We are gonna just be world guru. Yeah, guys, it's a current situation of world guru. Just now we don't have any even facility to just provide common people. Guys, common people price is, do you wanna get to know what's common people price? Only and only 10 lakh rupees. If you want 10 lakh, then you should wish to travel by any just government transport. If you wish, then you should go. If you wish to get 10 lakh, then you should travel by train, and you should dive into divinity of confluence. And guys, do you think, can you imagine, like, same thing came up rail minister Vaishnavi, like, if his son, if his daughter, if his family members, relative, neighbors got die, then guys, I just, as I am concerned, he was in a pickle, and just now he was also crying, but now he didn't get any pain. He knows value of common people. Yeah, if any accident, even all ministers and department, they know if any accident come off, so we have to announce 10 lakh from that department, and 2 lakh from prime minister, and 2 lakh from CM. And then we have to just hide this self, and for punishment, we have to organize any committee to just investigate who is responsible, and then we will give them punishment. But guys, all over, if we talk punishment, so only constable and and those officers, they are about to retire, they suspend them to hide their mistake. Even they should resign. If being a railway minister, what's guys, if being a principal, it's their accountability. Suppose I'm a principal in my school, so it's my accountability to manage the school in a like a hygienic, in discipline, in study, in every context. But guys, being a rail minister, it's not his responsibility. If anything comes off, I mean, he's not responsible for. I mean, he does not deserve. He should resign immediately. He should not take long time. Either guys, BJP will have to face the music, upcoming election in other states. And now he is in a majority, but he will be in a minority if he doesn't take action immediately against that minister. And if he doesn't resign him, then definitely uh, they will have to face the music, and he should resign immediately. Then it would be good for his party. Either party will have to face the music. And next, I want to tell you to you all, guys, can you imagine, can you think like this, uh, those person, even guys in Bihar, I was watching news, more than 12 person, they belong to Bihar. There are also guys 2 and 3 child, 5 year, 12 year, 9 year, and lady. But guys, can you imagine, yaar, just even guys, I don't feel like to just speak in the early morning, but I'm compelled to make video. I don't have much time. I mean, I don't have time in just, even I can't speak in my society. Guys, how much we are blind, and we have washed our mind by media. Even guys, even single media, reporters, any national TV, any guys, any private news channel, they don't have courage to speak single words against the rail minister. They don't have courage even use single words against the prime minister and their policy. But guys, they always chase the opposition, but they always ask question from opposition. Guys, railway minister is not in opposition, from opposition. Education minister is not from opposition. They are in a majority. It's their responsibility. And as well as all media and news channel, they should ask, they should start campaigning, they should start campaigning. You don't deserve, and you should resign. Yeah, we want resign, and it should be like hashtag on the social media platform. Guys, do you think, do you pond over like our just government is showing us a dream just now. Like in BJP government, we just brought bullet train, and we are just showing you dream bullet train. Guys, even our minister, our railway minister, our Indian government, they are unable to run local train, local train. So how will they manage bullet train? I think Indian infrastructure, Indian all like railway station, I don't think so. Just is able to just for a bullet train. Guys, if there would be bullet train, maybe more than 1,000 people they will die. And actually in our country, minister become based on reservation, based on caste. Minister is chosen, and driver is chosen even based on caste and reservation. Even single person doesn't have aptitude, doesn't have that skill regarding that department. Only for vote bank they become. So I think it would be like just it would be so harmful for common people, guys. And no, just, and second, I would like to tell you, real minister, first of all, he should resign, and having resigned, he should go. I mean, he should visit door to door, 18 people, and all injured, and those got die at their door to, I mean, to apologize, and if they amend their mistake, then maybe he will feel light-hearted. Either God will never apologize him based on his mistake. Where was he, guys? In New Delhi, India's central. In a central railway station, developed railway station, equipped with technology. Even guys, minister develop one like just AC room, restaurant, food, to earn money, to just get tax. But we don't think so. Even there are many CCTV cameras and many surveillance to surveil the people. But guys, there were how more than 1 lakh people got together. How they got there at platform, guys? First of all, they went through checkup machine and security. So why police let them go? Why police let them go? Let them went. Why police let them went at platform? Why, guys? Actually, our department, they were getting money. Actually, passengers, they were in a queue and they bought ticket. So minister, they are only for responsible. And in last, I wanna say, please send this video to your friends, and especially I don't use Insta. So if you use, then you can also use hashtag resign real minister, and everywhere you can just post this video. And yeah, actually we can do only these things. We don't have power right now to do something else. Financially not strong, and we don't have any power to just access this video to the minister and department. Those they can do, like all in the national TV channel and private TV channel, but they don't want. Even there are more than even like 100 national channel, but even I have I haven't heard yet like a single TV channel ask, even mention in their debate, minister, real minister should resign from his post. No, they are only looking victim who is responsible for it. Player, how are you fool to all? How are you fool to all journalists? There is criminal, there is victim, there is criminal, there is murderer. Railway Minister Vaishnavi ji is murderer and he is criminal. He just murdered 18 people. In front of us there is one criminal who killed the 18 people, but still we are looking surrounding who is responsible. How long time they will make us fool. So it's time to rest my words. And once more I want to say to you all, if you cast your vote based on religion, if you don't analyze, if you don't read affidavit of your candidate, so definitely just be ready to face the music. Be ready to go through this accident and to get 10 lakh rupees and for sacrifice. So it's time to rest my words. And now, please take care of yourself, and take care of your family, and just keep on having a smile on your face.